Hey folks, how you doing? Jerome Jackson here. A fish just jumped. Big old fish just jumped out in the water. I didn't catch it on video, but it did just jump. Oh, no, not yeah. You see the waves right there, right? Well, I'm shooting this video today not to talk about fish, but I'm talking about opportunity that just jumps out at you, and, and the fish is a perfect illustration of that. The thing I want to say today, folks, is just the tip of the day. Today is Thursday, one day before the opening of the Blog Beast. Everybody that has been opted in, you will be able to join tomorrow. But also I want to leave a message of where we're at in the signs of the time in terms of how you can get ahead and really capitalize on everything that's going on. So right now, today, the government just opened back up. All those people, the 800,000 as they report, who've been hit with no fault of their own, they were unemployed. But now they're reemployed because somebody else flicked the switch. Well, folks, I'm here to say is that it doesn't have to be that way. What I'm saying is, why not have a plan B? Yeah, it costs for most businesses to get started, but why wouldn't you want to start something at a low price and then teach other people to do the same, for the reality that now that we live in is that we're not promised a job tomorrow, because somebody could easily click the switch and say, guess what, you're unemployed. But that doesn't stop our kids from going to college. That doesn't stop our bills from being paid. That doesn't stop our mortgage. That doesn't stop our car notes. That doesn't stop anything, right? If they shut us down. But what it does do with a plan B, it allows us to have an option. And that's what it's all about, having an option. That's why they call it a plan B. And for some of us, we're lucky enough to where we just work hard enough to where we make our plan B a plan A. And that's for everybody. All it takes is consistency and following steps. Each system that I've seen has different steps. You just got to find what works for you. But I definitely recommend a home-based business. If it's not mine, I recommend do something. Because, once again, these times it's very clear what's going on. Folks, I'm excited about tomorrow. The Blog Beast is open. Oh, that was a big one. Y'all see that splash. But anyway, hey, today is your day, folks. Tomorrow's a big day for us. The government is open. That's blessed a lot of people, and I'm happy about that. Folks, get a plan B. Jerome Jackson here. Today is your day.